Well, here's the story. I'm watching TV the other night, and there's actually a hummus movie streaming on Freevee. I don't know if you guys know Freevee, but it's a streaming service, and it's free, hence the name Freevee. There's a movie on it, and the movie is all about hummus. Very interesting, very delicious. So I said, wow, I really love hummus. I can make this, and it's different than any hummus I've ever made. It's really very different, very delicious look. It's like a whole meal. It's very interesting. So I can make this hummus. I can do it, and it's very, very delicious. But that's not the end of the story. I'm watching TV more and more, and I watch this program about people who live to be 100 years old. Now, they all eat right, but what they also all have in common, they have purpose to their life. And my purpose could be bringing hummus to the masses. That would be wonderful. This whole channel could be the purpose of my life. And at the same time, I would actually have a specialty. I've never had a specialty as a chef before, and I've been a chef for 40 years. No specialty. Now I have a specialty. I have purpose to my life. And I can make a delicious food like hummus. Very healthy, very delicious. So, without further ado, I'm going to close the Almost Vegan channel and open up Daniel's Hummus. That's going to be wonderful. Hey, a lot of the same type of things, you know. There's going to be some vegan stuff. There's going to be some almost vegan stuff. There's going to be some non-vegan stuff. A lot of different things with hummus. Very interesting. If you subscribe to Chef Dan Almost Vegan, you should check out Daniel's Hummus. I think you'll be really happy with this channel. Delicious stuff. Anyway, so I'm going to leave all the information in the description and in the first pinned comment, and you can take it from there. Hey, check it out. I think it's going to be really wonderful. I'll see you there. Without fail. Okay. I got to go now. I got to make some hummus videos. Nice. Woo! Hummus is awesome. Okay. Catch you later.